We're going to go over digital storytelling and how you can create your own story and use it in your own classroom. So, really, digital storytelling is a great way to get your students engaged and to hit multiple of their senses as they learn, which enhances the learning process. So what I'm going to use over here for this digital storytelling is I'm going to use Adobe Spark. So as you can see right here, I have adobe.com up and then /product/spark. So I put that in here. And then I come up to this page right here. So if you're new to Adobe, you'll probably have to log in, which I've already done. So I'm already logged in. And I'm going to go to these squares right here. And I'm going to hit Spark because that's what I'm using. So you'll find yourself in this page right here. And I want to make a slideshow. So you see you have all these options right here, and I want to make a slideshow. So knowing that I wanted to make a slideshow, I made sure that I had the things that I needed to make a slideshow. So I had to get the information ready based off of the story that I wanted to do. So the first thing that I did was I collected pictures that I wanted to use, and then I wrote a script for each picture, and I'll show you that script is over here. I wrote a script for each picture that I would use in my slideshow. So I hit slideshow over here, having already gotten any videos, pictures, and anything that I want to write together. So I'm going to hit slideshow right here. I'm just going to skip this because I would like to start fresh. Okay, and then you have all these options too, these templates, but I don't want to use any of these, so I'm going to hit start from scratch. And then if you'd like a tutorial, this tutorial always comes up and you can kind of see how to use everything, but I'm going to skip that for now. So as you can see, I have this blank slideshow here. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to figure out a theme. So you have a layout theme, resize music, you have all these options here. I'm going to hit theme and I'm going to look at the different themes. So as you can see, you can have different transitions and colors. So I really like this one right here. So I'm going to use this one. And then if I would like to use any different colors, I can click on these. And if I would like to swap the colors, as you can see, then I just hit this button here. And this is white, and then the lettering will be whatever color I want it to be down here. And I want to pick this color, so I'm going to pick that color. So then all I have to do is hit this plus button right here, and it shows video, text, photo, icon. So I'm going to do text, and I'm going to do a title page. So I'm doing that's going to be my title page, Daedalus and his son. And if I go over to layout here, I can actually choose. So right now I'm in full screen, and I can choose which one I want to do. So this is going to be my title page. So I'm going to hit title and text. And then you can see it moves. And then down here, I'm going to write, okay. And with your title, you can actually move it around if you want to. So you can move it over here and make it something like this, and move it here, make something like this. But I'm just going to keep it in, actually I'll put it like this. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my extra pages. I'm going to make new pages, and I'm going to insert my photos because this is just going to be a digital story. So I'm just going to use photos. You can use videos. You can use really anything, drawings if you want to, but I'm just going to use photos that I uploaded already. So I'm going to hit photos, and I'm going to hit upload photo, and then I have my photos right here. All right, as you can see, I have my photos. So I'm going to click the first one and I'm going to open it on this page right here. Perfect. So it doesn't quite fit. So what you can do is hit this edit button and then you can zoom out a few times, which is what I'm going to do probably for everyone. So then I'm going to add my next photo and you just do that until you have all of your photos uploaded. I'm going to fit it to the size that I want. And then I'm going to add another. And then you just keep doing that until you're satisfied. So I have, like I said, I have my first 4 slides. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do a voiceover on it. So now that you have your slides, I'm going to start here. I'm going to do my voiceover. One thing that I am going to do though is I'm going to add my text over here so that I can just hit record and just say the words over here. So for slide 1, I'm just going to hit this record button right here. And you actually have to press and hold while you speak. Forgot about that. So you're going to hit this record button. Due to cruel King Minos's anger, the inventive Daedalus and his son, Icarus, have been imprisoned in a tower off the coast of Greece. All right, so I just recorded for this page right here. You want to keep it short usually. I think it stops you at 25 seconds. So I have my page and I can play it back then. Cruel King Minos's anger, the inventive Daedalus and his son, Icarus, have been imprisoned in a tower off the coast of Greece. So there's one other feature I forgot to tell you guys about. So there's preset music you can have on in the back. You can try it out by just hitting this little press button. And there's different ones that if you want. I don't really want music on in this one personally. I'm just not crazy about having this one there be music in the background. So I'm not going to have music. You can shut off, but you can turn it on. And like I said, you can also add your own music, which is fun. And you can turn up the volume, how loud you want it, etc. So that's just one of the things that is available to you through Adobe. And so then I can do these with the other ones as well. And you can actually find the full project above in the example I have for a digital story. So if you're interested and would like to learn more, go ahead and check that out. I would strongly recommend using Adobe for digital storytelling just because it's easy process and it's really effective for students to be engaged. So there you go.